Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create shadow text effect using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have a shadow text effect created. Select your desired font, add the text, and position it accordingly. Right-click the text layer and convert it to a smart object. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Press Ctrl+T to enable free transform. Right-click on the text and choose Flip Vertical. Drag it down. Then right-click again and choose Perspective. Adjust it according to your preferences. Now add a layer mask and select the gradient tool from the toolbar. Choose the gradient color as foreground to transparent from the basic gradient color palette, ensuring the foreground color is black. Hold the Shift key and drag it upward. To make it more realistic, go to the Filter menu from the menu bar, choose Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius value according to your preferences, then click OK. Now you'll have the shadow text effect. If you want to change your text, double-click on your text layer and type your desired text. Close the text document and click Yes for the pop-up window. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.